6-4, come inbound and take Walcott's position.
Roger. 6-4 is inbound.
You got clipped pretty good.
These screw pedals are okay. No, we're good. Got a slight vibration in the pedals, but we're good.
All right, put it down on the airfield, Super 6-4. Have it checked out just to be safe.
Roger. Hey, Ray, I'm getting a lot of movement in these pedals. Check the systems again.
Get Strookers, call them back out there. They need to get to Durant's crash site fast.
We got another bird down.
I want them out of there. All of them.